Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets. Black color. The next one is yellow color. Now we use brown color, green color, blue color, and the last one is red color. Now we draw and coloring capital letter alphabet. First we draw A, and now we use black color. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball. Now we draw C. C for cat. The next one is D. D for doll. D for doll, D for dog. The next one is E. Now we use yellow color. Yellow color, yellow color. Now we draw E. E for egg. The next one is F. F for fish. Kids, now we draw G. G for God. Now we draw G. And the next one is H. H for hand. Kids, now we draw I. I for ice cream. And the next one is J. J for jackfruit. Now we use brown color and draw K. K for kite. Now we use brown color. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion. And the next one is M. M for moon. Now we draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. O for orange. We again use brown color and now we draw P. P for penguin. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose. Kids, now we use green color. R for rose. The next one is S. S for sun. Now we use green color and draw T. T for tiger. And the next one is U. U for umbrella. Now we use blue color. Blue color, blue color. V for van. The next one is W. W for wolf. And the next one is X. X for X-ray. Kids, now we use again blue color and draw Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Now we draw Z. Z for zoo. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.